thank God!
I was saved. My train of thought was that I'd only be around about 45, 50 metres on the stern of the boat. But then I turned around and I couldn't see where the boat was. I did a 360-degree turn, and then I couldn't believe how far I was away from the dive boat.
In a matter of minutes, the current has pushed Rob nearly a kilometre from the boat. A proud Maori man with years of training behind him, he decides to swim back to the boat.
I don't want to be judged by my peers. Rob Hewitt, he was the guy that got rescued 3 days before he left the Navy. I've done a lot of swim training with my dive gear on. This was my second home. I would kick as long as I needed to kick, and I would get to where I needed to get to.
But despite paddling hard, the boat doesn't seem to get any nearer.